Lesson 9. Contract Drafting and Review. Contracts are the foundation of real estate transactions, and drafting and reviewing contracts require attention to detail and a thorough understanding of legal and contractual principles. In this lesson, we will explore the key considerations for drafting and reviewing real estate contracts. 1. Essential elements. Real estate contracts must include essential elements, such as the identification of the parties, property description, purchase price, and closing date. Ensure that all necessary elements are included and accurately stated. 2. Clear and concise language. Clear and concise language to avoid ambiguity or misinterpretation. Clearly define terms and conditions to ensure mutual understanding. 3. Contingencies and conditions. Contingencies and conditions are provisions that must be met for the contract to be binding. Common contingencies include financing, inspection, and appraisal. Ensure that contingencies are clearly stated and allow sufficient time for their fulfillment. 4. Disclosures. Disclosures are legal requirements that sellers must make regarding the property's condition or known defects. Review the disclosure requirements in your jurisdiction and ensure that necessary disclosures are included. 5. Legal review. It is advisable to have a real estate attorney review the contract to ensure compliance with local laws and regulations. They can provide guidance on any additional clauses or provisions that may be required. 6. Earnest money. The contract should specify the amount of earnest money to be deposited and the conditions under which it may be forfeited. Ensure that the earnest money provisions align with your negotiation and financing arrangements. 7. Title and ownership. Address the transfer of title and ownership in the contract. Specify any title insurance requirements and the conditions under which the buyer may terminate the contract based on title issues. 8. Dispute resolution. Include provisions for dispute resolution, such as mediation or arbitration, in case conflicts arise during the transaction. This can help costly litigation. 9. Timeframes and deadlines. Clearly define timeframes and deadlines for various stages of the transaction, including inspections, financing approval, and closing. Ensure that the timeframes allow sufficient time for all necessary actions. 10. Professional assistance. Seek professional assistance, such as a real estate agent or attorney, to ensure that the contract is drafted and reviewed accurately and in compliance with legal requirements. By paying attention to the details of contract drafting and review, you can minimize the risk of misunderstandings or disputes and ensure a smooth and legally sound real estate transaction.